mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 9, 2024, Tuesday racing. Starting time, umpisa ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races at muli pag-araw ng Martes, group based on time. May pa-shout out tayo from Felix Beltran. Shout out kay Kagawad Noneng Teranya. Umpisa natin ang ating mga cool choices sa race number 1. First choice number 4, Magandang Dilag. Second choice number 2, Charm Campaign. Race number 2, first choice number 3, Great Angie. Second choice number 1, Sky Lover. Race number 3. Dito sa race na ito, ang napili kong maging only choice. Number 1, Maria's Legacy. Race number 4. First choice number 1, Full of Alibi, Deremate. Second choice, number 3, ang malamang magdala ng unahan, Manlot Island. Race number 5. First choice number 2, Red Hawk. Second choice number 1, Sky Wolf. Race 6, penultimate race. First choice, number 4, Noble Promise. Second choice, number 2, Best Shot. Last race, race 7. Dito ang napili kong first choice, number 3, The Accountant. Second choice, number 5, Lemon Bell. Sa aking palagay po dito, ay kayang unahan ni The Accountant sa lundagan si Lemon Bell. At from there on, ay pasagot-sagot na lang or pasukli-sukli na lang ang tabay, side by side, at hanggang makarating sa finish line. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!